Okay, now let's try to retrieve the column years published from this table. So for doing that, we will make use of the select statement, and then we will specify the column years published, and then we'll use the statement from, and then we will specify the name of the table, which is books. Let's try to run it. All right. So we have received the column year published with its individual entries. But if we will have a closer look at the years published column, we will see that there are some values which are repeated. So the year 1951 is repeated twice. So for making sure that the values inside the column that we are trying to fetch, they do not have any duplicate occurrences, we make use of distinct statement. So we can specify distinct. So we can specify distinct before years published, the column that we are trying to retrieve, followed by from, and then the name of the table. Let's try to run it. So as soon as we have clicked on run, we can see that we're getting 4 entries, where all the 4 entries, they are unique. And the redundant entry, the duplicate entry for 1951, it has been removed. So by making use of distinct keyword, we can get the unique values and we can remove the duplicate occurrences from those tables.